Thanks. I think the main advantage of using a digital tool like Survey Solutions is that if you're working across different countries, across different contexts, it helps streamline a lot of the data collection. It also helps remote monitoring. So while the data collection is happening in the field, you can kind of keep track of the data that's coming in, do checks, at regular intervals, send back your kind of feedback and suggestions. So it helps us not just monitor real time, but probably kind of feed in improvements and further checks consistently and streamlined across different countries. So if you were doing surveys at the same time in 2 different countries, this really helps bring everything together. So I think that's the key advantage, and that's what we've seen in APRA. And now that we are looking at kind of cross-country analysis, having had one streamlined instrument really helped us easily and kind of very in a very straightforward manner bring the analysis all together. Right, so I think I'll carry on from what I kind of said before, is that it helps kind of bring research across different contexts together. So what I find is the fact that we had used something like Survey Solutions made the data available to us fairly quickly than having, say, used hard copies or different platforms. So the findings were available to us with not much delay. So the lag between doing the data collection and having the data set ready for analysis was fairly less. And so we had the findings available quite soon so that we can kind of share emerging insights, speak to different audiences, already start engaging with policy because we have these key findings in our hand, in a relatively short period of time. But also I think the experience of using Survey Solutions itself has been a learning, and communicating that to different partners I think has also been really useful. Because we've heard of similar experiences across different, consortium, and that helps learn from different types of experiences in different contexts. So I think that's been key for me as well. And you can look forward to much more tweets from me.